Hey, this is JP again down at Nemer Volkswagen, 550 Choice Schenectady Road here in Latham, New York. Currently, we have this wonderful certified pre-owned 2018 Volkswagen Atlas SE with tech. This all-wheel drive SUV comes with a 3.6-liter VR6 engine with an 8-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission with driver-selectable modes. You get front and rear anti-roll bars with gas-pressurized shock absorbers, brake assist with hill descent and hold control, heated leathered seats, rear AC controls, radio and dual USB and aux input with Bluetooth connectivity, blind spot monitor with sensors and backup camera, lane keeping and departure warning, adaptive cruise control, front assist with autonomous emergency braking, along with rear cross traffic alert, power rear liftgate, proximity key for doors and push button start, and remote keyless illuminated entry. Please be sure to stop on down here at Nemer Volkswagen and test drive any vehicle of your choosing, as well as browsing our extensive inventory of vehicles and being one with us. Thank you.